Namaste to you all. Today we are going to study about solution of a quadratic equation by completing the square. Okay, today we are going to study a new method for finding solution of a quadratic equation, that is called completing the square. So what do you mean by completing the square? Let us see an example. See in your page number 76, take your 76 page number. There you can see this heading, solution of a quadratic equation by completing the square, and there you can see a question. The product of Sunita's age in 2 years ago and her age 4 years from now is one more than twice her present age. What is her present age? That is the question. So how we can do this question? Question is we have to find the present age. So as I told you, we have to take the present age as x. So what will be the equation? Present age is x and it is given 2 years ago. 2 years ago, what will be present age 2 years ago? X minus 2. Right. Whose age is taken as x? That is Sunita's age is taken as x, and 2 years ago her age will be x minus 2, and her age 4 years from now, that is after 4 years her age will be x plus 4. Right, after 4 years her age will be x plus 4. And they are saying the product of these numbers, is product of these numbers is 1 more than twice her present age. 1 more than twice her present age. That is 1 more than means plus 1. Twice of her present age. That is what is her present age? It is taken as x. Twice of that means 2x plus 1. Right. So this is her age before 2 years, and this is her age after 4 years, and her product, that is 1 more than twice of her present age. Okay. So this is our equation, and they are given a way to solve this equation. How we can solve this equation? First of all, we have to make it into a form of a quadratic equation. That is, we have to multiply this term by term. Then you will get x into x, that is x square, then x into 4, that is plus 4x, then minus 2 into x, that is minus 2x, then minus 2 into plus 4, that is minus 8, is equal to 2x plus 1. Now to make it in the standard form of quadratic equation, we have to make the right hand side 0. Then it will become x square plus 2x, 4x minus 2x, that is 2x, minus 8. We are taking this to the left side, so it will be minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now again we can cut this 2x and 2x. This is plus 2x and this is minus 2x, so it will get cancelled. So it will change to x square minus 8 minus 9, minus 8 minus 1, that is minus 9. It will be changed to minus 9. Right. So quadratic equation is x square minus 9 is equal to 0. See, as we can see, there is no term with x. So how we can find the solution of this equation? It is seem to be very easy one, that is x square minus 9 equal to 0. From this we can write x square is equal to 9. Right? If we are taking 9 to the right side, it will be x square equal to 9. Means x will be equal to root 9. What is root 9? It will be plus or minus 3. Okay. So the value of x can be plus or minus 3. But in this question we have taken Sunita's present age as x. Okay. So an age can be negative? No. Age will be always positive. So the answer is 3. Okay. We have to take the value of x as positive 3 only. So her present age is 3. Okay. So this is the solution. See, as you can see, we have not done the factorization of quadratic polynomial. Here we have not done factorization. Okay. Instead of that, we simply got the value of x, because the square of x is given. Square of x, we will get the square of x, that is given as 9. From that we will get the value of x. Okay. So in this way by completing a square, we can find the value of x easily. Note in this question, one more example I will tell you, then you will understand better. That is, if x is in a square form, that if there is a square for x or related terms of x, then we can easily find the value of x. Okay. Okay, that is a method of completing the square. One more question is there in your textbook, that is in page number 77. Question is this: solve the quadratic equation x plus 2 whole square minus 9 is equal to 0. This is the question: x plus 2 whole square minus 9 is equal to 0. So how we can do this? You can do it in two ways. That is, either you can expand this identity. This is a plus b whole square identity. You can expand this and then we can make it into standard form of quadratic equation. Or without changing it to standard form, we can solve this. How? We can take this minus 9 to the right side. So it will be x plus 2 whole square is equal to 9. Okay, x plus 2 whole square is equal to 9. So what will be x plus 2? It will be square root of 9. Right. Its square is 9, means this value x plus 2 will be root 9. That can be written as plus or minus 3. Okay. So here two cases can happen. That is x plus 2 equal to positive 3 and not and or x plus 2 equal to minus 3. Okay. So x can take the value 3 minus 2, that is 1, or x can take the value minus 3 minus 2, that is minus 5. Okay. So these are the roots of this equation. These are the values of x. Okay. So rather than this method, one more method is there that I have told you. We can expand this identity, that is x plus 2 whole square. Using a plus b whole square identity, we can expand this. In that way also we are going to solve it. Let us see. X plus 2 whole square minus 9. When you are expanding this, then you will get x square plus 2ab, that is 2 into x into 2. It will be 4x plus b square means 2 square, that is 4, minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, and 4 minus 9 we can add that, then it will change to x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now this equation is changed to a standard form of quadratic equation. Now this is a standard form, right? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is now standard form. Now you can find the solution by factorization. Okay, but see, as we have expanded this and then now we are going to factorize that, and then we have to find the value of x. That is a way of solving in this way. Okay, in this method. Okay, but comparing to the first one that we have done in previous method, the same question. There we have done x plus 2 whole square is equal to 9. From that we can find the value of x easily, more than this. Okay. So that's why that method is called completing the square. That is, here a term associated with x is squared. There is a square for x, either x or the term associated with x. Okay. From that we can find the value of x. That method is called completing the square. Okay, that method is called completing the square method. Okay, you can do this by this method also. This is by factorization. Then we can find the value of x. Okay, so if I am asking you to complete to solve a quadratic equation by completing the square, we can do the same example. That is x square. What we have done now, x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. See, we have done the same question now. We got the value of x also. Now I am asking you how we can do this by completing the square method. How we can do this? അതായത് ഇപ്പോൾ x square plus see, when we have done it using completing the square method, there was a term like x plus 2 whole square. X plus 2 whole square, that is similar to a plus b whole square. Right? You just recall that identity, a plus b whole square. What is that? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Right? So instead of a square, here we have x square. Okay, in the place of a, we have x. So let us see how we can rewrite this into this form. അതായത് നമ്മുടെ കയ്യിലുള്ള ഇക്വേഷൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ x square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0 എന്നാണ്. ഇതിൽ നിന്ന് ഇങ്ങനെ ഐഡന്റിറ്റി യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് എഴുതാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ഒരു ഫോം കിട്ടിയാൽ, അതായത് if we get a square plus 2ab plus b square form, then we can write, instead of that we can write a plus b whole square. അല്ലേ, ഇതിനെ ഇതിന് പകരം നമുക്ക് a plus b whole square എഴുതാം. Okay, like that now we are going to check, we will get a expansion like this. Now we are going to check whether we will get a expansion like this. So in the place of a square we have x square, that is a എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇവിടെ എത്രയാണ്, അപ്പോൾ x ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി നമുക്ക് എന്താണ് കിട്ടുന്നത്, അപ്പോൾ a square എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ x square കിട്ടി. നമുക്ക് ഇത് ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടോന്നാണ് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, a square എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ x square ഉണ്ട്. ഇനി എന്താണ് വേണ്ടത്, 2ab എന്നുള്ള കാര്യമാണ്. 2ab അതായത് 2 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ 2 ഉണ്ട് ഇൻറ്റു a എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എത്രയാണ് നമ്മൾ എടുത്തത്, x ആണ് എടുത്തത് അല്ലെ. In the place of a we have taken x, so x into b കൂടെ വേണം. We want the value of b also, then only we can write it in a plus b whole square form, right? So what will be the value of b? For that 4x I am going to split 4x, that is 2 into a means x, 2 into x into what will be remaining in 4x. When we will get the value 4x, 2 into x, that is 2x into 2, then only we will get 4x, right? We are splitting 4x like this, 2 into x into 2. Okay, minus 5. Now see, this is 2 into x we have taken as a, that is 2 into a into b. Okay, now see, a square plus 2ab, ഇതില് a square എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് x square, 2ab യിലെ 2 into x എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ a into പിന്നെ വരുന്നത് എന്താണ്, അപ്പോൾ b ആണ്. Okay, this 2 is taken as b. In the place of b we have taken 2. Okay, now we want to take b square also. നമുക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു ഐഡന്റിറ്റി എഴുതണമെങ്കിൽ a square plus 2ab plus b square കൂടി വേണം. So b square എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എത്രയാണ്, 2 square. 2 square എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എത്രയാണ്, 4 കൂടി വേണം. plus 4 plus b square അല്ല, അപ്പോൾ plus 4 കൂടി വേണം. For that I am adding plus 4 here in this equation. But if you are adding a number to a equation, the equation will change. Equation തെറ്റിപ്പോ, ഒരു നമ്പർ സിമ്പിൾ ആയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്താ. So do minus 4 also. If you are adding plus 4, then do minus 4 also, then only equation will be balanced. Okay, otherwise equation will change, equation will be incorrect. Okay, that's why I am adding a 4 and subtracting a 4. Right hand side is always 0, okay, there is no change in that. Now in the next step I am bringing this plus 4 to this side, that is x square plus 2 into x into 2. I am writing it as 2 into x into 2 again, plus 4. I am writing plus 4 here. Minus 5 and minus 4, we can add that, then it will be changed to minus 5 plus minus 4, that is minus 9, right? Now consider this term, x square plus 2x into 2 plus 4. This is in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square is x square, 2ab, that is 2 into x into b is 2. What is b square? That is given 4. Okay, so instead of this I can write x plus 2 whole square. Okay, we have the form a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is x plus 2 whole square. Okay, minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, there also right hand side is 0. So from this we can find the value of x. Okay, so this is the method of finding solution of a quadratic equation by completing the square. Okay, so from this we can write, we have already solved this, that is x plus 2 whole square will be 9, that is x plus 2 will be root 9, that it can be plus 3 or it can be minus 3. Okay, then we can find the value of x. So this is the method of completing the square. So what we have done here, just recall once more, that is ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് a square plus 2ab plus b square എന്നുള്ള ഫോം കിട്ടാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ഇത് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. In the place of a we have x square, so we have to find the value of b also, that is 2ab ക്ക് പകരം ഇവിടെ എന്താണ് എടുത്തത്, 4x ആണ്. Okay, a എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ x ആണ്, ആ a വരുന്ന ടൈം തന്നെയാണ് 4x, അതായത് ഇതിലെ 2a എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ബാക്കി എന്താണുള്ളത്, 2 എന്നാണ് കിട്ടുക, അപ്പൊ അതാണ് നമ്മുടെ b. Okay, so we are splitting 4x as 2 into x into 2. So now a square plus 2ab again, then b square. B we have taken as 2, so b square will be 2 square, that is plus 4. Okay, then minus 4 also we have to do this in equation, then only the equation will be balanced. Okay, otherwise equation will change, equation will be incorrect, that's why. Okay, now we have taken this together, that can be rewritten as x plus 2 whole square, minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so this method is called completing the square. But here the coefficient of x square was 1. That's why it is seemed to be easy. If the coefficient of x square is not 1, then there are some more steps. So now we can see such a question. In page number 78, you can see a question. 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. See, here in this equation, this is not in the form a square. Namada identity here we have to use a minus b whole square identity. Why? 2ab plus b square. Here we have to apply a minus b whole square identity. Why? Because here this is minus 5x. That's why I am saying we have to apply a minus b whole square identity. So we want the expansion a square minus 2ab plus b square. We want the expansion a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So a square. This is a square. Means a square is the square of a. Okay. Like that, consider this then 3x square. Is it a square of any number? X square is the square of x, but what about 3? 3 is not a square. Okay, so how we can make it a square? ഇതിന്റെ ഏറ്റവും അടുത്തെടുക്കുന്ന സ്ക്വയർ ഇതിനെ ആക്കുക, സ്ക്വയർ ആക്കി മാറ്റിയതിന്. ഓക്കെ, ലൈക്ക് ഇപ്പോൾ 3 നമുക്ക് ഏറ്റവും അടുത്തെടുക്കുന്ന സ്ക്വയർ എന്താണ് 4 ആണ്, ബട്ട് വി കാൻ നോട്ട് ചേഞ്ച് ഇറ്റ് ടു 4. ഇതിന് നെക്സ്റ്റ് വരുന്ന സ്ക്വയർ എന്താണ് 9 ആണ്. വി ക്യാൻ മേക്ക് ദിസ് ആസ് 9 ഇഫ് യു ആർ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈയിങ് വിത്ത് 3. എന്തിനാണ് ഇത് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? നമുക്ക് എ സ്ക്വയർ എന്നുള്ള ഒരു ഫോം കൂടെ കിട്ടാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്. ഇത് എ സ്ക്വയർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എയുടെ സ്ക്വയർ ആണ്, അതുപോലെ എക്ക് ഒരു ടേം കിട്ടാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ഇവിടെ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പൊ ഒന്ന് 3 കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക. ഡു മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ബൈ 3 ഓൺ ബോത്ത് LHS and RHS. Now it will change to 9x square. We have to multiply this 3 with all terms. Okay, so 9x square minus 3 into 5, that is 15x, plus 2 into 3, that is 6. Is equal to, right answer will be 0. Okay, so 9x square minus 15x plus 6 is equal to 0. Actually, you can solve this by factorization method also. Now it seems to be a quadratic equation. This is also quadratic equation, but you can find it by factorization method also. But here they are saying we have to find the solution by completing the square method. So how we can do that here? Now see 9x square. It is a square of a number. 9x square. What is അത് ഏത് നമ്പറിന്റെ സ്ക്വയർ ആണ് 9x square എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ? 3x ന്റെ സ്ക്വയർ ആണ് അല്ലേ? Because 9 is the square of 3 and x square is the square of x. Okay, so we can write it as 3x whole square. That is correct. Okay, 3x whole square, that is 9x square. If you are not writing this, then also it is okay, but I'm just explaining that. Then now a square is okay. In the place of a we have 3x. In the place of a we have 3x. Okay. So ഈ ടൈം നമുക്ക് a square minus 2ab plus b square ആണ് വേണ്ടത്. അതിൽ a square ന്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ നമുക്ക് എന്തുണ്ട്? 3x ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ? ഇനി എന്താണ് വേണ്ടത്? 2ab. 2ab means 2 into 3x into a എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 3x ആണ് ഇവിടെ. 2 into 3x into b എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. So what will be the value of b here? 15x ആണ് നമുക്ക് സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. അതായത് 2 into a എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ a എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 3x into എന്ത് ചെയ്താലാണ് നമുക്ക് 15x കിട്ടുക? കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ നമ്മൾ 4x സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ചെയ്തില്ലേ? അതായത് 2 into x into 2 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് അതെന്തിനായിരുന്നു? 2ab എന്നുള്ള ഫോർമുല കിട്ടാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്. 2 into a into b. ഇവിടെ 2 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ a എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 3x ആണ്, into b എന്ത് വരും? മാത്രമല്ല അത് നമ്മൾ 15നെ സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പൊ ഇത് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് കിട്ടണം? 15 കിട്ടുകയും വേണം. ഓക്കെ, സോ വാട്ട് വിൽ ഹാപ്പൻ? 2 into 3x, അപ്പൊ 6x ആണ്. Then how we can get the value 15? See, if you are multiplying 3 with 5, you will get 15. Right? If you are multiplying 3 with 5, you will get 15. But this 2 is extra. This 2 is extra here. So I am doing a division of 2. That is 5 by 2. So if you are taking b as 5 by 2, 2 into a into b. Okay. This when you are calculating this will be 15x. Right? 2 will get cancelled. 3x into 5, that is 15x. Okay, plus 6. Now one more thing we have to do, like the previous question. അവിടെ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്തതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഇപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് a square minus 2ab okay ആയിട്ട് b ന്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ 5 by 2 ആണ്. Then plus b square also we want. ഇനി നമുക്ക് a square minus 2ab ലെ b square വേണം അല്ലേ? b square means b square എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എത്രയാണ് വരിക? b എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 5/2 ആണ് എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. 2 into a into b 5/2. So 5/2 whole square നമുക്ക് വേണം. 5/2 whole square. അത് ഇതിൽ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലാണ് നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ a minus b whole square എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ഫോമിൽ ഇതിനെ പുറത്തേക്ക് എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ അല്ലേ? So if you are adding plus 5/2 whole square to this equation, അങ്ങനെ സിമ്പിൾ ആയിട്ട് ആഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല, then equation will change, equation will be incorrect, ബാലൻസ്ഡ് ആവില്ല. അപ്പൊ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? minus 5/2 whole square ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കുക. Okay, plus 5/2 whole square minus 5/2 whole square, then equation will be balanced. This will be equal to right hand side, it is 0. Okay, now equation has changed. Now what is the next step? We have to write it together. അതായത് a square minus 2ab plus b square ആണെങ്കിൽ ഒരുമിച്ച് എഴുതാം. ആ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് സ്കിപ്പ് ചെയ്താലും കുഴപ്പമില്ല. അതായത് ഇതിനെ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് എടുത്ത് എഴുതുക, 6 അങ്ങോട്ട് മാറ്റി എഴുതുക, അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പൊ എന്തായാലും a square minus 2ab plus b square ഈ 3 ടൈംസ് എടുക്കാം. a എന്താണ്? a is 3x and b is 5/2. So we can write 3x plus 5/2 whole square. Okay, we are taking these 3 terms together, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. 3x minus 5/2 whole square. Okay, sorry, a minus b whole square, that is 3x minus 5/2 whole square. This is a, this is b. Now what is the remaining terms? 6 minus 5/2 whole square, that is the remaining term, that is 6 minus plus 6 minus 5/2 whole square. 5/2 whole square means 25/4 equal to 0. Okay, 6 minus 5/2 whole square. Now this will be, what will be the value of this? Now that is 3x minus 5/2 whole square equal to 6 minus 25/4. What will be that? We can do cross multiplication, that is 6 into 4, 24 minus 25/4, that is minus 1/4 is equal to 0. Okay, now our equation has changed to this form. From this we can write 3x minus 5/2 whole square is equal to, we can take this minus 1/4 to the right side. Now it will be changed to plus 1/4, that is 1/4. Okay, now see, 3x minus 5/2 whole square is 1/4. So what will be 3x minus 5/2? That will be square root of 1/4. What is square root of 1/4? That is plus or minus 1/2. Okay, now there are two cases, that is 3x minus 5/2 equal to 1/2 or and 3x minus 5/2 equal to minus 1/2. Okay, so consider two such cases. That is 3x minus 5/2 equal to positive 1/2 and 3x minus 5/2 equal to negative 1/2. Okay, then find the value of x. That is our question. So do that also. It is now easy. So 3x will be equal to, first case, what will be that? 1/2 plus 5/2, that is 6/2. It implies x is equal to, this is into 3, then if you are taking 6/2 is 3, if you are taking to the right side it will be divided by 3, that is x is equal to 1. Okay, so that will be the value of x in this case. Now consider the second case. Here 3x will be minus 1/2 plus 1/2, that is 4/2. 4/2 means 3x equal to 2. Here x will be equal to 2/3. Okay, so this is the these are the roots of this equation, or these are the values of x in this equation. Okay, hope you have understood the method of completing the square. Today just we have seen two examples, and they are solved in your textbook also, and they have given a pictorial representation also in page number 77. That is for your better understanding. Read that, try to understand that. Okay, so these are the questions we have discussed in today's class. So thank you.